Good afternoon, and today is January 12th, 2024, and it's a Friday. And we have a PPI come out or release at 8:30 Eastern Time. It's not really a high impact news like the CPI. It got medium, so you see at 9:30 right here, it make a jump, you see right there, and then it create a gap and it come back to fill the gap. It's very accurate right there. We did take a trade, we show later, but before we go to the detail, we want to show you something real quick, right? You remember yesterday we have a review, and okay, we have a review yesterday, and we did identify this three level, right? 437, 477.45, 475.34, and 473.4. That's three level right well. That's the reason why we highlight the bit. And today, let's say how beautiful it reacts to those levels. You see, at first, it's go through this level for 77.45, and then it retests this level, which is the high of yesterday when the CPI released. But you see that it just, in this case, it's just the buy side liquidity rated right there, really just 10 cents above, not 10 cents, I think 5 cents above that. So it's 78.60, and this is 78.49. No, yeah, exactly 5 cents. Can you believe that? 50, and this high is 60, 50, 10 cents above that. You see, it's just rate the buy side agree, and then it go down right there, and it retests this level, support level we identified yesterday. How beautiful and accurate it is. As soon as it take the buy size, it go down, and it tests this support level, and it hold this support level is bound. So if this break, then we anticipate it's gonna take touch this level and then go to this subcategory, but it didn't happen today. And today is Friday, so we don't anticipate it's gonna make a huge move. But for next week, we're really looking for this range right here, right? You see, it's established the range right there. So next week, if it break through this, then we anticipate a short or continuing momentum. Basically, right here, give us an idea to short or to go long, or it's gonna go down here. It depends how it play out on Monday, because we know that we are in week 2, right? So the week 3 is gonna be a big earning report generally. So we are in week 2, week 3, and week 4 is gonna be a huge earning. Especially on week 4, we have a lot of big tech company will report the earning for the last quarter of the year 2023. It's like Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, and all kind of that. So it have a huge impact. So that's the reason why it's still in consolidate or in the range right now, range compaction right there. But so far we see there's market structure breakdown, but it not have any confirmation yet. So let's see how it's behaved at this level, right? At this level. So yesterday, if we use this at a 4 breakout, we have a good trade, and today we use this at 4 breakout, we also have a good trade, but we have to get out exactly at this level. Right there. Okay, so today we have a good trade right here, right? This is 5 minutes, right? I think let's go to the 5-minute profile. Yeah, let's remove all of this. Yeah, let's add the RDR. Okay, so basic today, right? We saw that it, when we see the pattern, right? So it take out the buy side of yesterday when the CBI release, and we saw that a good setup for short. Let's put the IIs in. And at the same time, we see that RSI is above 70. So it gives us a good setup to short, and we short them right there at 45. Right, and we put our stop loss just above that. However, I think we go in at 50. We see that, and then we go in. Let's look at the swing start. We take I think we go in at right here. We go in at 50, right? It's a 4 breakout. You can use this level at the 4 breakout right here, or actually we use this level 78, but we go a little bit late because it's a bit tricky because we cannot short on our account. So we use the option to buy put option, and it's very tricky to do the sell stop. So it's not a perfect entry, but it's right there, right? And the risk reward ratio is good, 1 to 5, which is at this level. That's a very simple setup right there, right? And this level is a 4 breakout for it right there, 78.49, which is this level, which is the yesterday when the CPI released right there. So that's the both level for 4 breakout. Right at that level, we saw this rejection. We saw this rejection twice. Then we go in. We go a little bit late, but it's good. Right there. And we put our stop loss. We go in right here, right? Stop at this high, so it's about 53 cents, and we anticipate it's gonna go to that level, and it did. It go at this time. It hit at 1050. So it's very simple setup right there. It's a very low risk. That's what we aim, right? Low risk trade. We lose 50 cents, but 1 to 4, right? We gain $2. So it's 1 to 5. 1 to 4 ratio right there. And it turned out it good. It hit the target, but one thing, we didn't exit here. We got greedy. You know why? Because at that moment we say, oh, it come down, so we wanted to reach the DR model, right, which is at least, 0.5 standard deviation, but it turned out it did not. So when we see that, we exit at here. I think we exit out right here because we see this auto block right there, right? It start come down and it revisits the auto block, or it's bearish breaker right here also. So we decided to get out, and here's our exit right there. We exit at 11:10 right there, so exit 11:10 so right here we exit out. Perfect. And we should get our target right here, but we get greedy, so we don't want to give back. So we gain 1.7R, right? Instead of gain 4R, we only gain 1.7R. That's a lesson learned for us right there. It lesson learned for us, if we set the target, then get out. Don't get greedy, because the DR model sometimes is not 0.5 standard deviation right there. But anyway, it's a very good trade. Yesterday we lose 1R, and today we gain 1.7R. So overall, so far we are in the positive, territory. So here's our right there. Yeah, let's work on this, right? Yesterday we take the trade, and today is 12, right? 24. I think we need to have day of week. Let's add one more right here. Inches. Yes. Do have day of week? Oh, we do. Yeah. Thursday and Friday. Okay, yesterday, let's see what time we're going. We go in yesterday at 15, 2 p.m. 15. We're going with short right there. It's AM? No, it should not be AM. And we exit the trade 14:50. Okay. So the setup is, fail breakout plus DR, and today it just fell breakout. I think short. Also short. I think that set direction. What? I don't know why it's given. Oh, I think we format them, right? Yeah, we fix that later. I think because we format them with only 2 options, that's the reason why we cannot change. You know, I will figure out later. We'll figure out later. But anyhow, that's the 2 tray, right? We get 1 to 5. I think, but we didn't get. What's going on? We do it right. Oh, only 1 to 3. We'll format them later, I think. So this one we got 75 cents, right? This one we lost 60. Exit early. No, we don't exit early. And I think we need to add one more right here. We do the profit and loss in terms of R, right? So basically we lost 1 R. Oh, what is this one? Just clear off of that. How about that? So it's negative 1 R. Oh, somehow it doesn't allow me to do that. Here. Let's do clear. It doesn't allow me to do. It doesn't allow us to do anything related. Okay, I see. Okay. Yes. So it wants to treat it as a string, okay? And this one is we do 1.7 R. We figure out this later, but that's the temporal soon. So it doesn't like if we put something without a double quote, which is a string right there. We'll figure out later. Okay, so that's what we are right there. I think this is just for, and the note right here that it did hit the initial targets, but we move the targets to the DR standard. If fail to hit the the 0.5 rate standard version, we have to x6, right? We have to x6 the tray with a paraphrase of 1.7 R. Okay, which is 5 R, right? And we got greedy. Basically, that's what happened. So the error is we get greedy. So the error here, the mistake is right here. We get greedy. That's so true. And yesterday we got yesterday the mindset that, you know, we mix the first, you know, tray the first, you know, tray was short, right? So when we mix the tray, we are not in a good mental state because we feel like we're missing out, right? We're gonna chase them. That is the how it impacts us right here. We mix right here. We short them and we feel mixed up. So when they come back here, we try to short again. And yeah, so we want to give some idea, you know, what is our mindset right there. After the CPI, you know, release, then we took the short tray when it's reach, you know, DR mixed range, but we forgot that the DR model is not working on a CPI day. We completely forgot about that. If we know about that, then we're not going to short. That's the mistake we make right there. Yes, just keep simple right there. Yes, so far that's, you know, the win rate is 50-50, one win, one loss. And the total right here, okay, I think we need to add one more in here. It is the value rate. In the dollar rate, in terms of R, we need to add one more right here. Is in terms of R, a little bit tricky. See, yeah, we have to figure out how we compute this based on the string right there. Okay, if we want, we can do like this, right? -1. Okay, yeah, much better. So it's gonna be positive, or you say 1.7. Yeah. Then right here we can compute the sum of this. Okay, so we know this is the R profit along in terms of R right there. Okay, so good, so far so good right there. Okay, all right, now go back to see what do we see right. So the lesson learned for today is we get greedy. It read 5R. That's a lot right there. We should get out, right? But we get greedy. Yeah, 5R, you better get out. You know, you cannot wait until go to this 0.5 because that's a huge move right there. And on Friday, you know, that's too much to expect right there. Friday, you know, 5R is a awesome, you know, move. You know, 0.5 standard base move is unrealistic. Okay, that's another insight that we learned right there. Yeah, we put the swing shot right here so we can see how we took the trade. Okay, so by the way, you know, the 2023 we just take one trade 1 week. Okay, and you know, our risk reward ratio less than 50, but we still come out positive right there. So, you know, don't worry about the win rate. We make mistake, but we have to manage risk as soon as we manage a good our risk, cut it short, let the profit run, then we are good. You know, that's the trick right there. So we hope that in 2024 we do better. We minimize our mistake. Like today, that's a big mistake right there. We should have a 5R win. Instead of 5R, we only get 1.7R because we're greedy. And that's the area that we need to improve on the greedy. Okay, let's see on a on a 4-hour time frame. You see it's still in the range right here. So this, it can be a 4 breakout right there level, at this level. But we're really interesting to see how it's gonna stay at this level. You see, if it break down to this level, we can short them right there. And our target gonna be this 67 all the way to 64 right there, for 64, 61. So that's the level we need to watch for the rest of the January. Watch the, you know, right here, this error give you some clue that how the price gonna react to this level right there. Huge. You see right here, it for breakout, and breakout, it take the sell liquidity, and then it go up again. it may be enough for breakout, or it's gonna be a real breakout from here. We don't know. We just try to understand and react to what the market's gonna bring us the opportunity right there. Okay, if we look at the daily time frame, right, we see that error is right there. We see the rejection, but also we don't see the clear signal that it's gonna go up. Yeah, but if we look at the RSI, we see this is over, I think it's overbought. You see, even though this is make a high right there, the same for the weekly we already saw, right? But you see that it start going down, you know, so we can start short them, build short position right there. It's very interesting to see. So on the week 4, right here, after the week 4, we're gonna see how it moves. Then we can build a short position for January, for the rest of the year. Alright, I think that's it for now. Thank you for your time and talk to you later. Bye for now.